going to cleanse my face with this Garnier Marcella cleansing water, like I always do when I start off putting makeup on my face. I want to make sure I get any oil that may be on my skin off, so that my makeup can apply smooth. My lip and my neck. And you also want to make sure that your hands are clean before you start touching your face. So I've already washed my hands before I got started. And I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil that I always use in black. No, this is not black. This is in, I want to say, this is ash brown. And I'm going to keep this mirror low this time in this video. I hope you can see me, because I want to make sure I did not get this mirror in this video this time. Okay, make sure you keep them natural looking, not too much, not too dark. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fit Me concealer stick, foundation stick, and I'm going to use this to outline my eyebrows, to just kind of highlight them even more, polish them up. And then I'll blend it out so it'll blend into my makeup and my skin color. So I'm just going to do this in a sweeping motion. And I usually don't go too much more than my skin tone, because I used to do that and I don't like that little look where it kind of looks like, I can't explain it, but kind of ashy, like shadowy. It creates, that's the word I'm looking for. It creates like a little shadow, like in pictures and all of that. And I'm over that. That's when I first started looking into makeup tutorials and learning how to do my own makeup. I used to do that, but I don't do it anymore. All right, so you can see already that's starting to look a whole lot better, a whole lot polished, a lot more cut, polished. So that's the purpose of using this foundation stick is to kind of polish up or make them look a little bit more cut, if you get what I mean. All right, so let me blend this in. And I'm blending this in a downward motion. Go up the top and blend that in. This just helps the eyebrow to look a little bit more snatched. It makes it, to me, it makes it look like you just got your eyebrows waxed or plucked or threaded or whatever you use to get those eyebrows on point. Okay, and then I just take what's left on this brush and just kind of go into this part right here that's closer to the middle of my nose so that it can look a little bit more natural. Not middle of my nose, but you know what I'm saying, center of my face. So to blend in a little bit better and it won't look so dark going into the brow. So I'm gonna take this pencil again and kind of clean up some little areas where I may have put some of that foundation, like right here. I went in a little bit right there, so I want to chisel that back out. See there? There we go. Fix that. It go over here. Just touching up some areas that all right. And what you want to make sure of is that your eyebrows, if you hold a pencil up like that, you want to make sure that they start right there, right there. See, perfect. So if you're doing your own eyebrows or you have someone doing your eyebrows, and hopefully if they're professional, have a license, they know that. They won't go all your eyebrows, won't start all the way back here or down here. It's supposed to be right at that angle. Right at that angle. Okay, that's a little tip for you.